Okay, what's the anticipation? Come on.
I'm trying.
Also, I noticed that we're not using sensors. Like, we accidentally knocked them off. So it's kind of odd. Come on. Almost. She's like on the end of her seat trying to do this.
No. Oh.
What was that? Come on.
Oh, no. No. Oh my God, what? No.
Yes.
It's gonna do it. No,
Yeah.
God, get up there, come on!
Amy just laughed at you.
Yes.
Come on.
You do it, I'm laughing.
It's how she's holding it too. It's like my dad trying to chase the channels. Have to be so precise. Precise?
That is precise. Come on! Am I doing it too fast, or what am I doing here?
I don't know. I'm going very slow. At first you just go like kind of slow. See how you jump there? It's like wider than that. Almost. I'm trying to do what you're doing, so.
What are you doing? Are you moving this first and then this, or what are you doing?
I just hold the control stick. And then you jump like afterwards. Like right when you jump, you like press, you hold both, I guess. You press both of them. You're going like this. Oh, that's me, actually. Like, you're going like this, I don't know. And it seems like you're like, let me see what you're doing.
Now let
Do
me
it?
go, or what am I doing here? That's not what I'm going.
I have to see what you're doing. Okay, I see what you're
What am
doing.
I doing?
You're repeatedly pressing A.
I just hold it?
No, you press when you want to jump. Look, this is what you're doing.
That's how I jump. Hey,
You're like, what the heck? You don't mash it. Jump! Even when I do that, I'm doing it perfectly. That's what you're doing. What the heck is that? Look, you can even watch me how I do it.
So I'm trying to watch what you're doing with your fingers, but I can't tell. Which one's your jump?
My jump is B.
So smooth.
Yeah. You don't have to break the machine.
So she just goes. And it's done. Well, it didn't work for me.
You're still doing it.
What am I Oh my god.
Oh, the screen's so small. I don't know if you can see it. Like on the computer. I don't think you can see it. It's so freaking small. It's good.
I can't get it, okay? I don't know how to get it. I did it once, I don't know how I did it. And then you gotta move right fast, and I can't do it quite fast. This is a struggle for me.
Okay, give me it. Ew.
Sweating. Thank you.
Okay.
I have to jump another one?
Oh, I don't know.
No!
Yeah, pretty much.
Uh-uh.
Where are you?
Are you dying down there? Or are you dying?
No, I'm fine. Whoa. Where are you?
See, this is like Donkey Kong thing, and I can't do it.
Yeah. This is not that bad though. Come on.
No, I know it's not that bad. For me, it is. For you, it's not. But for me, it is.